for this rational equation, we got to figure out what our common denominator would be. Now we're definitely going to need an x, and like say you just put 2x up front. That 2 would cancel out this first 2, but it's still going to leave a 7 after we reduce it on the one on the right. So 2x is not going to be a good choice. What we're going to put out instead is 14x. So each one of those numerators is going to gain a 14x. So 14x times 1 over 2, 14x times 3 over x, and 14x times 43 over 14. Now it might seem a little funny the way that I wrote that, but I did that on purpose instead of actually having to figure out what 14 times 43 is, for example, is because in this first step, each one of these denominators should cancel out, and it's going to be a lot easier to reduce it if I haven't multiplied them together yet. So this 14 over 2 will reduce to 7 over 1, leaving us with just 7 times x times 1, or 7x for that first term. The middle one, the x's will cancel out, and we'll have to do 14 times 3, which gives the same time as 7 times 6, so 42. And on the right, the 14s would cancel, leaving us with just 43x. Now, in this case, since we don't have any x squareds, we can just simply get x by itself by getting all x's to one side and anything without an x to the other side. All right, so we should end up with, let's see here, 36x over here, I think. And divide both sides by 36. So x would end up being 42 over 36, which 6 will go into both of those, so you could reduce it to 7 over 6. Do a quick check, make sure that the answer is not extraneous. So the only number that would cause our denominator to turn into 0 would be if x equaled 0, and it doesn't, so 7/6 is our answer.